Hello, good day. My name is Noelin Ral. I am 40 years old, from San Antonio, Saan, Philippines. I am a single mom. One kid, she is 13 years old. And I worked before in Dubai. I serve 4 members of the family. And my work and responsibilities there is to clean the house, washing their clothes, and ironing their clothes, and also I cook together with my madam in the kitchen, and also I look after their kids. The boy was 14 years old and the girl is 17 years old, and also with the driver I send the kids in their school. And also I work in Qatar. I serve 4 members of the family, and I my duties and responsibilities there is to take care a baby who was 6 months old, and after and say 1 year and 6 months, and I do also clean the rooms of the babies. I do wash also the clothes of the babies, and then I will make sure that everything the need of the baby it was there. And also I can sing the song for the baby, like twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, like a diamond in the sky. And also I can read the storybook like Cinderella, Pinocchio, Rapunzel, and many more. Madam, if you choose me, I promise you that I will focus my duties and responsibilities in your house. And thank you. Have a nice day.